Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can caption a meeting on Meet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Meet. After that, uh, join a meeting. But I would like to tell you that when I'm recording my screen and I'm on a meeting, then you cannot hear my voice, so you can follow the clicking that I'm doing. So right now I'm going to rejoin this meeting. I hope that you could see how you can show captions, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.